And so with this particular experience, we decided to get involved within the social conversation of the Air movie that released back in April of this past year or this year. And so we wanted to be able to get involved in the conversation and have some relevant content that connected back to the Air release. And so with this, we wanted to touch upon Nike's rich storytelling and brand history. And with that, we wanted to rewrap some archival content that we had already published within our editorial content sphere. And so we had 5 separate interactive experiences and blog posts that we linked into one larger hub experience. And we wanted that to be in a social campaign. So here is the experience that we created, and we wanted to break it out into 5 different social campaigns.